Hi, my name is Vidhi and I'm a second year law student at National Law University Delhi, and I'm also the co-founder of a program called Mission NLU Delhi that helps students with mentorship in classes for law entrances like CLAT and NEET. So we're going to play a game together. Whenever you relate with something that I say, you will put a finger down, alright? So, put a finger down if you have compared your preparation or marks to that of your friends and you felt like giving up entirely because they're doing so much better than you. Put a finger down if you felt like giving up on your entire preparation because you got extremely low marks in one mock. Put a finger down if you spent the time you were supposed to be studying and daydreaming about being at NLS or NLU Delhi or any NLU for that matter of fact. Put a finger down if you have self-bashed yourself and self-bashed on your preparation multiple times while you've been studying or while you've been preparing for these law entrances. And lastly, put a finger down if every third day you feel like giving up on the preparation because it just feels so difficult. If you got even more than 3 fingers down, congratulations, you are preparing for a national level exam. And I think you'll find some comfort in the fact that it's not you alone who faces these issues. Now, on the face of it, ye issues feel like very trivial, very minute in front of, let's say, the syllabus or the sections or the mocks that we have to cover and give. But these little things, these little issues, these little problems that plague us somewhere hampers our preparation, somewhere acts as frictional elements that stop us from doing the best that we can and achieving the best that we can in these exams. So my aim is that by the end of this video, all of you aspirants who are watching this and are going through these problems know what is the solution to them. So the first thing that I'd like to talk about is self-doubt and confidence. I think a lot of you will relate to this कि जब भी you sit to study, let's say you're doing CR or you're doing principles of legal, all you feel is that, listen, this is very, very complicated. Will I even be able to understand all this? Will I even be able to complete all this? Will I even be able to grasp such difficult concepts of CR? या मुझसे quant हो भी पाएगी कि नहीं? जो data sets सारे, will I be able to solve them? Am I not made for this exam? Will I be good enough for the paper? Will I get a seat at NLS or NLU Delhi? All these thoughts start consuming you once you start with your prep, once you're into it. The underlying reason is that as products of Indian education system, what we have been taught from bachpan, from our childhood, is doubting our skills, doubting whether or not we're good enough for anything that we're appearing. Now this is something जिससे हमें जड़ से निकाल के फेंक देना है. At any time, you aspiring to become a lawyer cannot be doubting yourself. It might be true that you might not know a lot of things yet, but you always need to understand and you always need to have that attitude, that outlook कि मेरे सामने जो भी task है, I will get it done. I have the ability, I have the capacity. अगर वो skill set अभी मुझ में नहीं है, I will be able to develop it. I always tell my students one thing, that if I can do it, then anybody can. Your past performance, whether or not you've scored a 99% in the boards, whether or not you have done 1,000 MUNs, whether or not you're the head boy of your school or head girl of your school, that does not matter. What matters is now. What matters is how you are approaching your preparation now. And you, as an aspirant, the first thing that you need to do is tell yourself that you can do it. And don't tell yourself that the thing that you need to do is to get an AIR 1 in CLAT and NEET. वो अपने आप होगा. That will be the end. What you need to tell yourself is कि यार ये chapter of percentages जो मैंने उठाया है, I need to understand the most simple question as well as the most complicated question. The entire concept. इस topic से जो भी सवाल आएगा वो मैं कर लूँगा या लूँगी come what may. There was a very pyara line that Will Smith said, that if you are always thinking that I want to build the biggest wall in the world, biggest wall in the world, biggest wall in the world, it may seem like a task that is impossible to achieve. But when you think that today I am going to lay this one brick and I am going to lay this one brick as perfectly as I can, I am going to lay this one brick like no brick has ever been laid before. And in no time, you will have a wall before yourself. तो तुम्हारी AIR आएगी, बट उसके बारे में सोच सोच के या फिर जस्ट टारगेटिंग दैट वन अमेजिंग रैंक एंड देन पुटिंग अ लॉट ऑफ प्रेशर ऑन योरसेल्फ, देन डाउटिंग योर एबिलिटीज, बिकॉज वो चीज अपने दूर है, वो अपने आप होगी अगर हम छोटी चीजों पे फोकस करें। एंड छोटी छोटी चीजें करना इज नॉट दैट डिफिकल्ट। एंड हाउ डू यू कन्विंस योरसेल्फ कि यार मुझसे होगा, I will be able to do it, by deciding to complete small things, by deciding to complete those 10 things and then completing them and then realizing कि यार हो तो रहा है मुझसे। Do you get it? Make small goals. Have a दूर का vision, but make small goals and make sure that you achieve those small goals, because you can do it. And this is something you need to tell yourself that you can do it no matter what. Now, the second point is comparing your preparation with those of others. अच्छा मुझे एक बात बताओ. Let's say you have this friend. Let's call him John. ठीक है? Now John is doing very well. Like he is amazing with his preparation. सब लोग कहते हैं कोचिंग में भी, everybody is telling him, your teachers tell him, his mock scores are showing that उसको तो NLS मिलना ही मिलना है, उसको तो NLU Delhi मिलना ही मिलना है. He's doing that well, and he's your friend. ठीक है? Now, every time you see John का mock score, you feel so bad about yourself that listen, why is John able to do it and not me? John should not be doing that. Good, I should be. मुझे बात बताओ, is NLS offering only one seat, or is NLU Delhi offering only one seat, or is Nalsar only asking one student to join their course? No, right? No. So let others do what they're doing. What you need to focus on is that one seat that is yours. One seat that is yours. Great. John will be your batchmate. You will be in NLS or NLU Delhi with him. So John doing well should not be a hindrance for you in any manner. Do you get it? I have told this to so many of my students in mentorship program कि यार this journey is yours and yours to be. सबकी journey बहुत different होती है, सबका प्रेपरेशन करने का तरीका भी बहुत डिफरेंट होता है, एंड दैट्स व्हाई इट्स वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट टू हैंडक्राफ्ट योर प्रेपरेशन अकॉर्डिंग टू हु यू आर एज अ पर्सन. हमने फर्स्ट पॉइंट डिस्कस किया दैट यू नीड टू बिलीव इन योरसेल्फ, दैट यू कैन डू इट नो मैटर व्हाट, यू कैन डू इट. द सेकंड पॉइंट इज दैट दिस जर्नी इज योर्स एंड ओनली योर्स टू लीव. तो बाकी लोग क्या कर रहे हैं उसका अफेक्ट हम पे नहीं आना चाहिए. वी शुड एक्टिवली थिंक दिस वे कि गुड फॉर देम दैट दे आर एबल टू डू इट. Maybe learn from them. Try to see कि उनकी strategy क्या है and see how it fits in your preparation. Always learn from people who are doing better than you. Never think of them as hindrance in your own preparation. You get my point? Now the third thing is procrastination and daydream. Now let's face it, all of us procrastinate and all of us daydream, especially when we are in aspirant phase, because we have something that we have our eyes on. Okay? I also used to watch a lot of videos and keep thinking about being in an NLU Delhi ka library and in the classes and everything, and fantasize about the college a lot, and I would end up wasting a lot of my time. Whenever I would get to study and कुछ complicated चीज आती थी, then I would just leave it there and start to procrastinate because it felt difficult. It felt like it required a lot of efforts from my end to continue with it. Please understand one thing, that right now, the fact whether or not you will be in NLS or NLU Delhi or any NLU for that matter is not in your hands. What is in your hands is the efforts you can put in for the exam, the efforts for the 5 sections that are being asked that you can put in right now. So all your energy, I get it, दिमाग जाता है, मन जाता है, but this is exactly what you need to work upon. This is exactly where your resilience come into play. तुम्हें ये नहीं करना है कि अपने आप को एकदम दबा के बैठो कि तुम सोचो ही ना. What you need to do is that when your mind wanders off, then you have the strength, you have the ability to bring it back to what you're doing. And वो फर्स्ट डे से नहीं आएगा. अगर तुम आज से शुरू करोगे तो वो 3 hours से 30 minutes आज ही नहीं होगा. But at least it'll come down by 20 minutes today. And it will not take long for you to have a control over it. And I know that if you decide on it, you can do it. So please, I'm asking you, कि have a very clear priority list. तुम्हारा CLAT का preparation, तुम्हारा school का काम, तुम्हारा कुछ और काम that you might have, your hobbies. Have a priority list with respect to everything and then get it done throughout the day. Trust me, ये छोटे छोटे efforts that you put in every day in becoming a better version of yourself, it's going to pay you so much in terms of the results of CLAT and ELIT as well as you being a law student. Now, The last and the most important thing, and that is owning your preparation. यार मेरी बात समझो. This is your exam. You are writing it for yourself, your career. अगर तो तुम्हारा only motive to give this exam is that you want to impress people around you, so I'm telling you today only that it's not going to happen for you. You are giving this exam to become a lawyer, to become a law student and get into a good university that provides you with the best resources so that you can become the best version of a law student and then a lawyer that you can. Right? So this exam, this preparation, these efforts is all about you and your journey, and it becomes extremely important for you to own it. I always emphasize on this attitude कि करना है तो करना है. और क्यों करना है? क्योंकि we want a good life for ourselves, right? हमें बस एक जिंदगी मिली है. अब हमने डिसाइड किया कि हमें लॉ करना है. Why shouldn't I do it from the best place that I can? Do you not deserve the best? You do, and for you to show the universe that you deserve the best, you have to put in those little efforts daily. जब मन करे ना कि पढ़ाई छोड़ के यार वो नेटफ्लिक्स का शो कंप्लीट कर लूं, तो बस ये सोचना कि यार आज अभी घर पे बैठ के अगर ये नेटफ्लिक्स का शो देखा तो कभी एनएलयू दिल्ली के कैंपस में 4 लोगों के साथ नेटफ्लिक्स नहीं देख पाऊंगा बैठ के. Do you get my point? Every little sacrifice that you make today will materialize into you doing something very good 6 months later. So do it. Do it for yourself and not for anybody. Do it for yourself, do it for your parents, Max. But सब चीज तुम्हारे अंदर ही है. Now it's up to you to take that decision. तुमने decide तो कर ही लिया कि तुम्हें law करना है, but to take that decision that I want to do law in the best manner possible, being the best law aspirant and then the best law student and then the best lawyer in my ability, in my capability possible, right? So focus on yourself. Focus on prioritizing things and then allocating time to them accordingly, and focus on having a good and positive support system. Cut down on negativity, cut down on negative people in your life, because वो बहुत energy drain करते हैं. वो बहुत energy drain करते हैं. So just keep all these points that I discussed right now in your mind, and trust me, you will be able to do it. It's not that difficult, it's not that hard. बस ठानने की दिक्कत है. Decide for yourself that you want to do it, you have to do it. Own your preparation, और करना है तो करना. So I hope this video helped. Thank you so much for watching. Please take care. All the very best. Bye bye.